Alright guys, we're here and we are going to do 1,000-mile-per-hour fidget spinner versus a can of pop, Sprite. And I'm here with Ethan Caston today.
Okay.
And we are going to be putting that fidget spinner against this can of pop. So let's get right into it. Wound up. We are in again.
Just a test.
Alright, he just took a test, but let's try it for real. Ethan, get closer to it so it's still fast once you go down. Lean down, lean down. Oh, it doesn't even do anything.
It made like dents.
It doesn't even do anything. You guys hear that? That thing is fast. Ethan, in the video it looks like it's stopping.
Wait, do it again with the video.
Alright. And the third try. Alright. So we are going to do something else. Bye, guys. Yeah, that 1,000-mile-per-hour fidget spinner didn't work. But we're back here with the old jackhammer. There's the bottle. It's already shook up. And we're going to try hitting it. So let's go. Missed. That was a nice shot, Buckwheat. Let's hit her again. Oh, this baby's going to break her slide or something. Oh! I'll get it. It's squirting. Oh! Oh! You completely smashed it. Yo, look at that. That is what happened. Wow. Whew. All right. So,
A fidget spinner on a pencil. Got an air compressor. You know what that means? 1,000-mile-an-hour fidget. Let's do this.
oh, dude, it stands. Keep spraying it. Oh.
What the heck?
Whoa.
Things pretty crazy.
That's actually pretty cool. What you think about that, Ethan? Well,
Look at that.
don't you dare touch
I'm not
me.
going to touch you.
That's pretty fast. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, so that's the end of our video.
Wait, I want to touch it and I want to see if it hurts. Alright. Didn't hurt that bad.
Alright, well, so that's the end of the video. Cheers to Ethan. Cheers to me. Please like and subscribe. That was pretty fun. Well, hope you guys liked it. So remember to subscribe. See ya.